morning, students. I am Anushka teacher and today I will teach you English. Okay, but before starting my lesson, what teacher do? Yes, teacher takes one song. We recite one rhyme. Okay, so let's start the song. Are you ready, everyone?
Yes.
The song. Yes, yes, good, very good. So let's start the song. Okay. I love flowers. I love flowers. I love plants. I love plants. I love butterflies. I love butterflies. Nature is all around me. Nature is all around me. I love flowers. I love flowers. I love plants. I love plants. I love butterflies. I love butterflies. This nature is all around me. This nature is all around me. I love sun. I love sun, the big sun. This is very small. I love sun. I love moon. I love the rivers. The nature is all around me. The nature is all around me. The nature is all around me. Children, you like the song? Hello children, you like the song?
Yes.
What are these?
Flower.
These are flowers or flowers. This is what? Plant. Yes or no? What is this?
Sun.
So, we like these flowers. We like these plants. Then we like these big, big trees. We like our sun. These all things are there in our surrounding. Every day we observe them, we experience them, we feel them. Okay, these all things are there in our surrounding. Now, children, teacher is going to do something. Okay, you observe it very carefully. What teacher is doing, huh? Can you see the board, children? Okay, can you see the board? Yeah. Now, teacher will, yes, teacher will draw something on the board and you are going to tell me, you will tell me the names of those things. Has drawn?
Pahad.
What is this? Okay, pahad. It means mountains. Okay.
Mountain. Sun.
Sun?
Sun.
Okay.
Crow.
Crow. Birds, crow. Very good.
House. House.
This is?
House. House.
What is this?
Tree. Tree. Grass.
Grass. Yes.
Grass. River.
River? Okay. What is this? River. Very nice, students. A teacher has drawn mountains, crows or birds, sun is there, a tree is there, river is there, grass is there. Children, what is this?
Sky. Clouds.
Clouds. What? Clouds.
Clouds.
Yes. So children, every day in our surrounding, we see these things: the mountains, the birds, the sun, clouds, trees, mm, river. Okay. If the ocean is there, you see the ocean, ponds, then animals, birds. Okay, these many things are there in our surrounding. Okay, see, all together these things are called nature. These all the things are the part of the nature. See, house won't come. See, house is man-made. Okay, whatever things are naturally available there, no. See, tree. Okay, we see the God gifted. Then the rivers, the grass, then birds, sun, clouds. Okay, these all things will come under nature. Okay, whatever things we can see in our surrounding, but which are not man-made, which are already there. These things are called nature. Okay, this will come under nature. Understood, everyone? So today we are going to learn one poem, and that poem's name is Nature. Okay? So children, we have seen many things now: the sun, the trees, clouds, river, then the trees, grass, animals, birds. These are all the things which we see in our surrounding. These things comes under nature only. So in our Balbharati textbook, there is one beautiful poem is given. Okay, the name of the poem is Nature. Okay, so let's learn the poem. Okay, children, is it visible you all? Can you see this?
Yes.
Okay. See, in your Balbharati, nature is blue,
Forever be
nature is green, nature is true. Nature is you, nature is me, nature will
forever be free.
free. Okay, so we'll see one by one. Nature is might. Nature is might. What's the meaning of might? Might is possible. Okay, possibilities are there. Okay, possible. Nature is might. Means anything will happen in the nature. Any possibilities will come. Okay, then nature is strong. See now, this boy is strong. This girl is strong. Okay, powerful. Powerful. How's the nature is? Okay, how's the surrounding is? Okay, how the natural things are there? Powerful. Okay, nature is beauty. Beautiful things are there in the nature. Beautiful rivers, beautiful scenarios, beautiful trees, beautiful flowers. Okay, many beautiful things are God gifted. Are there in the nature. Understood? So nature is beauty. Okay, nature is moody. It changes. Moody means changing. Okay, keeps changing. See, today, no, there is no rain. Today there is no rain. Yesterday it was raining. Sometimes we feel very hot. Sometimes we feel very cold. So nature is moody. It keeps changing. Okay, every time you won't see the same thing. Every time you won't see the same things. It will keep changing. So nature is moody. Understood? Nature is smart. Teacher say, na yes, you are smart. Oh, you are smart. Very good. So this okay. Nature is blue. You know the blue color? Yes. So nature is blue. What is this color of sky? Blue. You understood? So nature is blue. Sky also comes under nature. Nature is
Nature is
green.
green.
We see green plants, we see green plants,
Green
green leaves,
color.
green trees, then green, now in rainy season, green
Green.
mountains. Everywhere greenery is there in rainy season.
Green.
Nature is green. Then nature is true. See, it's very real. It's not fake like human beings. Okay? Nature is true. Okay, he always behaves truly with us. Understood? Then nature is you. Nature is you. Nature is me. We all are? We all are human beings. Okay? We all are humans. So nature is you. Nature is me. You and me are also part of the nature. Okay? They are also natural things. Okay? Then nature will forever be free. Forever is what? Forever. See, excuse me. Nature is you, nature is me. Nature will forever be free. You, me, other people, we all are human beings. And we are also the part of this nature. Okay, all the human beings, all the birds, animals, insects, small we all are okay. It will be free. There will be no limitations for this nature. There will be no boundings for this nature. Okay. So this nature will be free. Can you see this? So now once again teacher will read the poem and you repeat after me.
Nature is my
Oh,
nature is my
nature.
nature is
Nature is my.
nature is my
Nature is strong.
nature is strong.
Nature is beauty.
Nature is beauty.
Nature is moody.
Nature is moody. Nature
Nature
is
is
strong.
smart.
Nature is blue. Nature is blue. Nature
Nature
is
is
green.
green.
Nature is forever be. Nature is green.
Nature is true.
Nature is true.
Nature is you.
Nature is you.
Nature is me.
Nature is me.
Nature will forever
Nature will forever
be free.
be free.
See, children, this poem is totally based on the nature and just I told you the animals, the plants, trees, the rivers, all the water bodies, the landscapes, okay? Uh, means mountains, hills, this everything, your birds, small insects, fish, all the things will come under nature only. They are natural things. Understood? But see, this house, then the buildings, the car, these things are made by us, by human beings, but which are already available there in our surrounding. This comes under nature. Understood, children? Now, which words, which new words I learned from this poem that we will see. Okay? Words I learned. Which new words? Okay, which different words I learned from this poem. First is MIGHT.
Might.
M, yes, very nice. MIGHT, might. Might means possibilities, possible. Okay? Then the strong, STRONG. Strong.
Strong.
Strong means powerful. Okay? Which have power. Then moody. This girl is moody. This boy is moody. Means their behavior keep changing. Okay, keep changing. So moody means keeps changing. Okay? Then true. True means for real. Teacher gives the questions, say whether it is true or false. Okay, we should always speak truth. So true, true means real. Then forever. Forever means all the time. Okay. Always. You see now, always. I always brush my teeth. I always go to school. I always take bath every time. So forever. So nature is forever free. Means nature is always free for everybody. There are no boundaries. There are no limitations for this nature. Understood? So these one, two, three, four, five. These five new words we learned from this poem. Might, strong, moody, true, forever. Understood?
Yes.
You understood the poem?
Yes.
Understood the poem?
Yes.
Yes. Once again, after some time, teacher will repeat the explanation. Okay. Now, children, I'll show one video to you all. Everybody, pay attention. Observe the video carefully. We are studying English today. Our topic is nature. See what we can see in this picture: blue sky,
Mountain,
white
tree,
clouds, then river, mountains. See here, seashore is there, coconut trees, blue sky, white clouds. See students in this picture, flowers we can see, grass is there, sun is there, sun is giving light here also. Yellow flowers, then clouds, green grass, sun. In this picture, there are many trees,
grass,
and grass also there. Yes, and sun is there, no?
yes,
See, how so nice. Pink flowers, trees, and hill, small mountain, no? And see
yes,
what you can see. Flowers, red and yellow flowers. Trees are there. Now, children, what is this? Which picture is this?
fruits,
Fruits. All the mixed fruits are there. Apple, banana, pineapple. See, these fruits, these vegetables, these things also we get from nature only. Okay. These are naturally available there. Carrot, beetroot. See, the vegetables are given here. These vegetables also which we get from our nature only. See, oranges are there on the tree, and these oranges which we get from tree, and tree is also one very important part of our nature. See, one bird is sitting on the this tree, on this branch. Okay. See, there is one more bird. These birds, animals, vegetables, flowers, fruits, all these are naturally available. See, one bird, dove is there, and he is flying in the sky. Clouds are there.
animals,
Yeah, yes, all animals are there, and they are also one
elephant,
part. Yes,
zebra, tiger,
elephant, giraffe,
elephant,
rhino.
giraffe,
Yes.
rhino,
See,
zebra.
we have seen the animals and the birds, even you and me. All the human beings are also one part of this nature only. Okay?
House, trees,
Yes, we live in nature, our
grass,
surrounding. Yes, this everything will come under nature. See, the waterfall is there. In rainy season, we can see the waterfalls. Okay, water, blue water, blue sky. This also. So we have seen in the poem, nature is beauty. In all these pictures, we have seen the beautiful scenes. And see, this
yes,
is the picture of your Balbharti textbook, page number 2. All have seen the video, children? You all have seen the video?
Yes.
Yes. So in those video, in those pictures, we have seen the rivers, water, mountains, trees, sun, then green grass, animals, wild animals we saw, elephant, lion, tiger, then the birds, human beings, the people like you and me. Okay, these all will come under nature. Okay, all our surrounding. Understood? And this is very important, children. Okay, and as we are living in this nature, as we are living in surroundings, we have to take care of this surrounding. Okay, we should take care of this surrounding. We should not provide any kind of harm for this surrounding, this nature. Okay, how beautiful it is. Okay, so we should maintain its beautification. Okay, we should pay attention for this. Children, now this picture,
Yes.
but do you feel it's empty, something is remaining in this picture, yes or no?
Yes. Yes.
What things are not there? What are
Sun,
things are not there?
country, house,
Yes, no? So let's
house.
complete this picture. Okay? Let's complete this picture and let's make it beautiful. Okay? Teacher will show you something. Children, tell me what is this?
Tree.
So let's add this tree in this picture. Okay? But children, only one tree is not enough now. We should plant more and more trees. We should have more trees for oxygen. One tree is not looking good. So we'll add some more trees, okay? How does it look? Little better, you know?
Yes.
What else is not there? Hmm, what will come in sky?
Sun. Sun. Cloud.
Okay, okay. Moon
Cloud.
will not come, no beta. It will come in evening, night. What is this, children?
Sun.
So let's put the sun here.
Clouds.
Which we have seen in this picture and then shown. Okay. Now once again we'll take the revision of the poem. Okay. Yes. Then let's put the flower. Can you see?
Yes.
Teacher has had two flowers in this picture. Okay. Now we'll add some green grass. Green grass. Grassy. Yes. Then children, what is this?
Cloud.
Cloud? Shall I stick it there?
Yes.
Okay. Clouds. Done? Then, children, tell me, what is this?
Rainbow and cloud.
Rainbow. Yes, colorful rainbow. 7 colors are there. Rainbow and clouds. We'll put it here. Okay. So, now we can see this picture. Before, how it was. It was very, empty. Now we can see it is totally completed. Because many things are came here. Many things are covered. See, sun, clouds, rainbow, trees, birds, river, green grass, flowers. These all natural things came here. And because of that, this picture is completed. It's look beautiful. Okay, the beauty is increased. Understood, children? So these all
Yes.
things will be added here now. These are the parts of the nature. The same picture, the exact picture you can see in your Balbharti textbook in nature poem. Okay? So now you tell me the names of those things. Okay? What is this?
Sun.
These are
Cloud.
cloud.
Rainbow and cloud.
Clouds.
What is this?
Tree.
River.
Water.
Yes, water. And see, this is you say a mountain or a hill. Hill. Okay. Then these are
Flowers.
Flower.
this.
Grass.
Some see some stones are also there. Teacher has drawn some stones also. Okay. So
Eat.
stones are also there. So here we can see all the things in our nature. Understood, children?
Yes.
Your homework, what is your homework? Whichever things you like in this picture, okay, you have observed in your surrounding. Those things you can draw in your notebooks, okay, and then send me the pics how you have drawn. You can draw the sun, the clouds, the trees, the birds, the rivers, the beautiful scenario, then the flowers,
Flower. Grass.
anything. Butterflies. You can add some more things in this also. Animals you can draw. Human beings, the people you can draw. You can draw the insects, okay,
Children.
ducks, fish. Many things you can add in this picture. So, lesson number 2, nature. Nature is might.
Nature is might.
Nature is strong.
Nature is strong.
Nature is beauty.
Nature is beauty.
Nature is moody.
Nature is moody.
See, children, once again I'll revise you the meaning of these words. See, moody means keep changing. Okay? Our behavior keeps changing. Okay? It means moody. Keeps changing. Then beauty, beautiful. Wow. That is called beauty. You see now, wow, what a beautiful girl, beautiful flower. So nature is also beautiful. Just now we have seen the beautiful scenes, beautiful mountains, trees, flowers. Then strong. Nature is strong, powerful nature it is. Okay? Might means possible. Okay? Then nature is smart.
Nature is smart.
Nature is blue.
Nature is blue.
Nature is green.
Nature is green.
Nature is true.
Nature is true.
See, nature is smart, smart like you. You all kids are very smart, talented, intelligent. So, nature is also smart, specific, perfect in his work. Okay? You all are perfect in your work. Nature is also perfect. He never make mistakes like us. So, he's smart. Nature is blue. We can see the blue sky. Okay, blue water. So, nature is blue. Nature is green. We can see the green grass, green trees, green plants. Okay, green leaves. So nature is green. Okay, nature is true. Nature is real. Okay, it's not fake like us, like human beings. Okay, we sometimes we say some bad things. Okay, so nature is not like that. Nature is real only. Okay, he always speaks truth. He is always true. Then nature is you. Nature is you. Nature is me. Okay? It means all the human beings, all the animals, it will come under nature only. You, me, all other people are the part of the nature. Nature will forever be free.
Nature will forever free.
So guys will be your last part. Just now I'm just showing it. See what you are going to do. This is your exercise. The picture are given, and what in those pictures, what you see in your surrounding, what you have seen, so those pictures you'll mark, will put right mark. If you have seen dirt, put right mark. If you have seen leaf, put right mark. Okay, we have seen today the nature poem. These things comes under nature, and we should take care of this our nature. Okay, whatever things will come under nature, we have to take care. We should not spoil our things, our surrounding. We should keep it clean. Understood? So you like the topic today, whatever we have studied?
Nature.
Yes. Yes. So what is your work now? What is your homework? What is your homework? That whatever things we have seen, whatever pictures we have seen, you are going to draw. You will draw in your notebook. Okay, and give them name. Okay, write their name. You have drawn cloud, write cloud. You can use cotton to make cloud also. Okay, put some cotton on that. Okay, you can draw the tree, right? Spelling of T-R-E-E tree. You draw some beautiful small flowers, then river, mountain, sun. Through this way, you can show all the natural things. Okay, children?
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you. Thank you.